Is it possible to change the steering line, the position?
No.
Because like I see if you change the pedal position, the shoes sometimes will touch this line.
Yeah, because I think, like I was saying last night, I think if we put a heel rest in,
Yeah.
it'll bring his feet from being like that to that, so it'll clear the hole a bit better. Because then when I was talking to Jai about it yesterday, I might even have a play around and make a plate for underneath so we can actually mount the pedal box closer to him and still use the existing holes. So just have a plate which the pedal box bolts up to and then bolts into original holes.
Oh. Yeah, maybe later we change.
Yeah. Because he was saying he's sitting quite far forward to make it all work. So when he gets here, we'll have a play around with all that.
So we cannot change the pedal position by single pedal. We only can change the whole box.
Yeah, whole box or just that foot pad.
Yeah.
So
left or right. That is the other option for the pedal box. I mean, like the left and the right. No.
nah.
I mean,
You'd have to look at making a whole new pedal box. Because one thing that would make it, actually no, it wouldn't change. Oh yeah, it would. Because if we lifted the steering wheel back up a bit, because then we can accommodate that for his seat port. So if we lifted that back up, it'll make it slightly better, but not heaps. Yeah. It'll probably only equate to like 1 to 2 mil. Yeah.
That's it for today's video. If you're interested in professional maintenance and modification for Wolf Racing cars, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Feel free to leave a comment and share your thoughts with us. See you in the next video.